Hi everybody. Merry Christmas from South Carolina.
Can I sit next to you?
Anna's playing with her cousins on the seesaw. And she's doing a great job. And here's Scott and Tyler. And they're having a good time. Oh yeah, as you can see, Anna really likes it.
Tyler's gonna stand in the middle.
Oh my goodness, Tyler, are you sure you can do that? Let's watch him. Oh wow, there's me and Katie. He stands up. Oh, Tyler, whoa, he's like a surfer. Tyler, say hi. Oh. All right, we just wanted you guys to see how much fun we were having. Okay, everybody say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.